welcome back. I am Alex. I'm here with a rainy day flow. It's a short one. Sit back in a child's pose. Bring yourself to the space, the present moment. Focus is on the breath. In and out through the nose as best as you can. Press up to a tabletop and then lower your hips forward and down into a modified upward facing dog. Leave the toes tucked, the knees are bent. And lean onto the left hip, look over the right shoulder, side body stretch. And switch sides. Feel this through the right side of the torso on top of the hip bone. Come back to center, tuck the toes, lift your chin. Exhale back to downward facing dog. Feet hip width, hands shoulder width, index fingers point straight ahead. Let's walk to the top of the mat. Soft bend in the knees so you can drape over the legs. Press up to stand. Arms reach overhead, seal the palms. Shift the gaze up as you reach up. Exhale, swan dive forward, soften the knees. Press through the heels, round up to stand. And again, reach your arms overhead. This time, hold the left wrist and reach up and to the right as you pull up with the right hand. And lift, switch out the grip, reach up and over to the left. Lift back up, seal the palms, gentlest of back bends, reach up. See your ceiling, breathing through the nose. Lift, forward fold. Inhale, draw the shoulders back, halfway lift. And from here, step it back to plank. And lower all the way down to your stomach. Rest your forehead on a block or your hand. Pull the right foot into the right glute. Quad stretch. Switch sides. Pressing the hips down into the mat. And release. Let's press up to a tabletop. One cat-cow. Make it a good one. Inhale. Open the front of the body. Exhale as you press everything away. Scoop the tailbone. Tuck the chin. Neutral spine into puppy pose. You are going to leave your hips over the knees and walk your hands toward the top of the mat. Keep the elbows straight but soft as you bring your forehead down. You'll feel this under the shoulders, in the armpits, the upper back. Breathe. Shift your weight forward into Sphinx pose. Prop up onto your elbows. Press the forearms down, starting with the wrists and then the hands, and then pull the chest through. Release. We're going to press up and back, this time to a seated position. So bring your feet out in front of you. Soles of the feet are going to touch. Hold on to the outside edges of your feet. Shoulders are down. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, forward fold. And when you reach the end, let's round and lean back, and then build the spine back up again. One more circle this way. And then reverse that motion. So you're going to scoop and lean back, and then forward with that round back. Pull the chest through. Back up with a flat back. Back, back. Okay, keep going. And then sit up tall. Reach your legs out in front of you. Legs are straight. You can keep them soft if you'd like. For a gentle forward fold, reach up and over the legs. Now you can keep the knees soft, the back round, and then a little bit of side to side with the head, and the neck might feel good on the upper back by your shoulders. Walk your hands back in. Find a comfortable seated position. On an inhale, reach your arms overhead. One twist to the right. Keep the spine lifted and tall. And release. Arms overhead, lift up. Keep that length in the spine as we twist to the left, hands float down. And one final breath together. Inhale, arms overhead. Seal the palms at the top. Inhale again. Lower your hands down to heart center. Know that you are illuminated from within. Yourself is amazing. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please leave me a comment below with what you liked, what you'd like to see, and please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. I will see you soon. Namaste.